My name is Adam Erhart and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. In this episode, we're talking about the marketing strategy of care and create. The clock is ticking. I remember when I first got started in digital marketing and I would watch my Facebook newsfeed absolutely fill up with all the gurus posting pictures of their Ferraris and their beachfront mansions and all the screenshots of all the money that they were supposedly making, which I later found out was mostly a facade. But at the time, they prided themselves on confusing and overwhelming and essentially showing anybody who wasn't using their system that they weren't going to make it alone. And to them, I was a failure. I was a peon. I was just some tiny little spec that didn't mean anything. That was until I bought into their madness. So what did I do? Well, admittedly, at first I did buy all the programs and did try to figure out what the secret sauce really was. And it turns out there really wasn't a secret sauce. So I just kept plugging away, caring more, creating more, and building my business by serving people in the best way that I knew how to do. Now fast forward quite a few years later, and what's happened? Well, 95% of them have all but disappeared from my newsfeed, completely gone on to chase the next shiny object, or maybe they've been run out of town by the market for kind of hyping and hawking all of this garbage. The good news is the 5% of us that have been slowly but steadily building our brands, creating value, communicating a clear and consistent message, well, we're still here, serving, selling, and doing better than we ever thought possible. And that's what I want for you. You see, it's really easy to get attention. All you have to do is scream, say something obnoxious, be outrageous or obscene, light your hair on fire, any of the above. But that's short-term attention. Rather, what we're going for is lasting, authentic attention that allows you to really build good rapport and good trust with your audience and with your market. I can't even begin to express just how effective this strategy has been over the years because it's rooted in a genuine care and appreciation for the people that you're trying to serve. It's the reason that I create so much content, the reason that I put so much out there, and the reason that I try and help any way that I can. Because I genuinely care, which has enabled me to build a long-lasting and very effective business. It's a great path to success, one that provides a ton of value and allows you to sleep really well at night as well. Care more, and remember, your reputation is everything.